Want to know how to create a Frida account? I'll show you exactly where to download the app and set up your account. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now tap the search bar at the top. Type Frida and tap Search. When the Frida app appears, tap Install. Once it's installed, tap Open. When the app opens, tap Continue with Google. You'll now see the Google accounts already signed in on your phone. Select the Google account you want to use. Give it a moment, and Frida will sign you in. Once you're inside the app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Now tap Edit Profile. Here, you can add your name, gender, location, and date of birth. To add a profile picture, tap the profile photo and choose an image from your phone. When you're finished, tap Save. Your profile is now set up, and you can start using Frida. You can browse posts, like, comment, and share just like you would on other social platforms. If this helped you create your Frida account, like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to tutorials. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.